attention. I'm very loud, you see? Attention. Attention. Okay, here we go. Why I tell you how to add tomato? Coconut milk soup, why I tell you that don't add tomato yet. You can add them in, but today what I'm teaching you here, this is a fresh coconut milk. It's so good. I want you to get to taste the real fresh coconut milk taste like. And you want to keep coconut milk turn, like keep it white. You know, you don't want it pink. Man, I like pink. I want to add them in. Of course you can, right? But the thing is, tomato get mushy if you cook too long. That's why we have to leave like a couple minutes behind and then we'll add them in. It's no big deal, right? But I'm trying to teach you here with the textures of the ingredients. So everything 1, 2, 3, 4 steps by the texture. Yeah? Okay. Now, everything but the basil. Move fast, faster. Faster. It's gonna burn. If you forgot something, you turn the gas on low. This is now a joke.
The whole thing is has to be crispy around the outside.
Number 3, and then you start. Mix them. When you start, and stir. Yeah. When I start, count to 20 seconds. Count 1 to 20, and then throw the basil and turn the gas on. You're done. You wanna be in the start? Ladies, we're gonna fry spring roll. When you're done roll fry, bring your spring roll to the back of the You know why, burn? Because when your oil is still hot from the fried egg, you have to keep on low. And when you add garlic and chocolate, like I said, when you smell it, you have to add chicken immediately. Because when you add chicken immediately, it reduces the temperature. That's a holy baby. This is the fried egg. Count for 20 seconds. Okay. Step. All the veggie now. All the veggie now. And mix. And your sauce. Put the sauce in it.
Amazing.
Place it? Yeah. Test your soup, please.
You don't need to.